How are you, everyone? Let's handle this question. Don't forget to like, share, and follow our YouTube channel. Okay, so we have this question. It's falling under variation. Paper 1 question. This is teacher Nyurenda. Okay, so two variables x and y have corresponding values as shown in the table below. So you have the corresponding values of x, which is 2, 3, and a. Corresponding values of y, which is 20, 40, and 104, 104. Given that y varies directly as open bracket x squared plus 1, find the value of the constant k. So this question is variation, and there are types of variation. There is direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, and partial variation. Now, looking at this question, it's saying given that y varies directly as x squared plus 1, meaning this type of variation, it is the direct variation. Okay, so the solution, what are you looking for? The value of what? K. So first of all, we are going to convert this sentence into a mathematical expression or into a mathematical equation. So what I'm going to do is you're going to write y, solving function a, y varies. The word vary, the symbol, it is this one here, like an alpha. So y varies, where is y varies, it's a symbol for vary, directly as x squared plus what? 1. This is solution. So what do? We look for the value of what? K. Now before we look for the value of k, whenever you see vary, this symbol, it is converted to two notation, which is equals and the constant. So we are going to have y, where there's vary, this is composed of two signs. Where there's vary, I'm going to replace with equals and constant, k, which is constant variation. Then we put everything in brackets like that. Okay, now we're looking for the value of k. To find the value of k, we are going to pick where the table is having for two values of corresponding of x and y. As you can see, here x is missing, y is we have, so we can't pick this one, but we can use 40 and 3 because here they have all the values of x and y are given, or 2 and 20. But the easiest, just use small numbers, 2 and 20. If you want, you can use 3 and 40, it's one and the same. So we are going to have, as you can see, when I'm using 2 and 20, this is x is 2, y is 20. So where does y, you place 20 equal to k, we don't know, but our x in this case, y is corresponding to 2, and that and this 2 is x, so x is 2 squared plus 1. Having this one, we're going to have 20 equal to, let's look at this, 2 power 2, it is 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. 5 times k, we have a 5k. 2 power 2, 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. 5 times k, it is 5k. Now, the question is, find the value of k. That's the first question here. Find the value of k. Please don't forget to share and follow. So, how do you find k here? We simply make k the subject of the formula. We make k the subject of the formula. So, we are going to divide by what? 5 this side. Whatever you do this side, also you balance up. That's why it is an equation. So, 5 and 5 will go. Therefore, k remains. K is equal to 5 into 20, it is 4. So k is equal to 4. So having this one here, I'm going to replace here. So k is equal to constant variation, k is what? 4. That's the first question. Okay. Then the next question is saying, find the equation connecting to x, y, and x. Find the equation connected to y and x. This is very simple. When the answer say, find the equation connected to y and x, meaning just a matter of replacing on this one here. On this one here, just a matter of replacing where there's k, replace 4. That's all. So let's rewrite this one that we solved. Y equal to k, open bracket, x squared plus 1. In this case, we're looking for the equation having y and x only. So this one is very simple. Just a matter of putting k. K we have found already. So we're going to have y equal to, our k is 4. So we put 4, open bracket, x squared plus what? 1. Like that. This is the answer for here. So we write here y equal to 4 open bracket x squared plus 1. Okay. Then, without wasting time, let's look at the other question. Find the value of a. To find the value of a, that is, this is a, this is b, c. To find the value of a, of a, we use the same equation again, the same one here. So y is equal to 4 open bracket x squared plus what? 1. Okay. Then, as we can see, we have a and y. A, it is x, y, it is 104. So where there is x, we are going to replace a. Where there is y, you are going to replace 104. So here we plug in. What is y? 104 equal to 4 open bracket x. X in this case is a. As you can see, a is corresponding to x. You can see. So a, it is x. X is a squared plus 1. Having this one here, we can find the value of a, but remember, we can get rid of positive 4 here because they are brackets. You can say over 4 this side, also over 4 this side. Wherefore, we have this 4 and 4 will go. What we have here, it is a squared plus 1. Let's divide. Can 4 go into 104? Let's divide. 4 into 10, it can go 2 times. 4 into 10, it is 2 times. What's the remainder? The remainder is 2. It will make 24. 4 into 24, it is 6. Because you know that 4 times 6 is 24. So this one we can write it as, you're looking for the value of a, we can swap them. This is same as a squared plus 1 is 1 and the same. A squared plus 1 equal to 26. Like that. Then here, what do we do? Okay, simple like that. What do we do? We are going to say a squared equal to 26. 1 will come this side. Remember, grouping like terms. So you're going to have a squared equal to, when 1 comes this side, it becomes a negative 1. So it will be 26 minus 1. What are we getting? 25. Like that. Then, we're looking for the value of a. How can we do? We need to get rid of the power 2. How do you do that? Remember, to kill the power 2, you square root. But remember, once you square root, you put plus or minus. So this and this will cancel. A is equal to plus or minus square root of 25, it is 5. Meaning, the value of a, it is positive 5 or negative 5. Okay. Please, we usually conduct physical classes and online classes. For more details, you can kindly WhatsApp on this number or 7772575508. You are most welcome. Please wait for the next video.